What is the purpose of data visualization in R? The purpose of data visualization in R is to turn quantitative and qualitative information into visual representations like charts, graphs, and maps. This allows for easier understanding, interpreting, and discovering of patterns, trends, and outliers within data. Visualization also plays a crucial role in data storytelling, helping to communicate insights clearly and effectively to a non-technical audience. Why is R considered a powerful tool for creating data visualizations? R is considered a powerful tool for creating data visualizations due to its vast array of visualization packages and its flexibility in handling and manipulating data. R supports a range of standard and innovative chart types and customization options that enable users to create precisely tailored visual presentations. Furthermore, R's integration with programming allows for the automation of complex visualizations and reproducible research, which are critical for advanced data analysis. What is ggplot2 and why is it widely used in R for data visualization? ggplot2 is a popular package in our design based on the principles of the grammar of graphics, which provides a powerful framework for creating complex and aesthetically pleasing graphics. It is widely used because it allows users to layer components to build a plot incrementally, using simple commands to adjust any element of the graphic. Its consistency and the ability to handle a wide variety of graphical forms make it a go-to tool for many statisticians and data scientists. How do you install and load the ggplot2 package in R? To install the ggplot2 package in R, you can use the command install.packages ggplot2. After installation, to load ggplot2 into your R session, use the command library ggplot2. This makes all of ggplot2's functions available in your current R session, allowing you to begin creating visualizations with its functionality. How can you list all built-in data sets available in R? To list all built-in data sets available in R, you can use the data function. By default, this function will display a list of all data sets available in packages currently loaded into the R environment. If you want to see datasets in all available packages, you can set the argument package is equal to .packages, all .available is equal to true. This provides a comprehensive overview of the datasets you can work with directly in R.